So far, we've been learning about the geology of the Southwest, focusing on the Grand Canyon here in this Four Corners area. But today, we're going to start learning about a new kind of rock and take a tour of the Pacific Northwest part of the US. So we're going to just watch this movie and visit a couple places along the way, and then we'll learn about those more in detail. So first stop is we are at Mount Shasta, which is in the northern part of California. Take a look at the shape of that landform and just make some predictions about what you think it might be. Here we have Crater Lake, and then we're going to get another look at it from the other direction. We looked at that briefly when we were talking about landforms. Maybe you have some hypotheses about how that formed or what it was. Okay, stop 3. We are looking at the Three Sisters. Going to move a little bit further and stop and take a look at Mount Rainier. You might notice some paths that look like they're leading down from the top. Stop 5 is the Olympic Mountains. Then we visit Mount Baker. Now we're in a mountain range known as the Cascades, the Northern Cascades. I want you to be thinking about how these rock formations and landforms look different than what we've been looking at before. Now we're in a completely different area, the Channel Scabland. So maybe try to make a guess of what you think this is showing us and why it's important. I think we have 2 more main stops along our little tour here. Okay, so now we're at stop 9, Mount Hood. Again, what does it look like? What's the shape remind you of? And then our last stop is Mount St. Helens. We're going to get a view of this from a couple of different vantage points. So what does it look like caused those paths that are going down that hillside? We're going to get a look at the other side, right in the middle of that crater. And then I think we're going to get a look at it, yeah, from point 1C looking up. So that's our tour